Hi there, Office Boy Builder here. I hope you are well. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at how you install this stuff, which is tile backer board. It's insulated, it's very, very strong, but also incredibly light, and it has a grippy surface for you to be able to stick your tiles to. It's also completely waterproof. So as a little test, I have had this piece of tile backer board left in water for about a month now, a month and a half, with a brick on top of it, submerged, and I've dried it off and it hasn't changed shape at all. There is nothing about that that is different from what it was before when I put it in there. So it's really cool stuff, very, very easy to work with, and it's a dream for tiling onto. In this episode, we're going to be back in the same bathroom we were before. I'm up in the loft at the minute. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to install this stuff, what it looks like. There's quite a lot of time lapse in this, so you're going to have to hold tight, but I'll show you at the end exactly what I've done, talk you around it. And then in the next few episodes, we've got tiling, the bath to install, we've got taps to put on, we've got a toilet to put in, we've got the flooring to go down. The tiling I'm really pleased with. You'll see that in a couple of episodes time. I'm really, really pleased with what we've managed to achieve there. It's my first time doing herringbone tiling, so it's worth sticking around for that just to see how it's come out. I hope you enjoy the episode, and I will see you soon. So quite a lot of time lapse there from yesterday. It's Wednesday now, the day after all of this work was done. Just wanted to crack on basically. So, massive blunder on my part. Not massive, it's annoying, it's not the end of the world, but I know that my bath is 1700 wide. These panels are 1.2 long and 600 wide, which is 1800. So I thought, right, well, I've got to cut 10 centimeters off. So I did. But I hadn't done this up to the edge of the bath. I had done this, well, I just had this bit of plasterboard left over, and obviously it was 1800 from here all the way to the edge of that wall. So I ended up having to stick on 10 centimeters at the end here. So annoying. You're best off measuring rather than just thinking about the numbers. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's all in there. The other thing which is really nice is that this is pretty darn square in here, which is good. There's a little bit of gap, and actually it has moved slightly since I put it in because it has shrunk. But I don't know if you can see that there. That is pretty square the whole way around the corner, which will make things a lot easier when installing the bath. And over here, it's pretty close. It's not 100%, but it's very, very close. And I'm pleased. It's close enough that I'm very happy with that. So I just need to come up here and across there with the plasterboard now. Get that installed. I've done inside the window frame. So I put the header up and then come down the sides. Sorry about the contrast, it's a bit tricky because of the sunlight, but just need to come up and across here and then on this side as well. So we're getting there. We are slowly getting there. Floor's going to need a wash before I'm able to install the floorboards, well, the flooring, the Cardine flooring that we've gone for, but we're getting there. I've ordered the bath. I have ordered all of the taps and everything. So all of that is on its way. And yeah, we're slowly but surely getting there. Albert's going to be coming tomorrow to plaster. So he'll do all of that. He'll do all of that tomorrow, which is good. It's coming together.